Okay, good day. In this video, you're going to learn the definition of a piecewise functions, and also you're going to learn how to evaluate piecewise functions. It says a piecewise function are functions that are represented by more than one expression. So pag nakakita tayo ng function na kung saan ang representation niya consists of more than one expression, tatawagin natin yung function na yon na piecewise functions. As for instance, we have here a function f of x. We have the representation of these functions consists of three expressions. The first expression is 2x plus 1. And the second expression is x squared minus 1. And the third expression is 4 minus x. The first and third expressions ay mga linear functions, while yung ating second expression is a quadratic function. Now, aside from these three expressions ng ating piecewise functions, it is bound by, these expressions are bounded by conditions. Okay? For the first expression, 2x plus 1, the condition is x should be less than negative 2. And the second expression, x squared minus 1, the values of x lies between or from negative 2 to positive 3. Okay? And the third expression, 4 minus x, x should be greater than 3. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabing piecewise functions, dapat ay more than one expression. Okay? At kailangan yung bawat expression ay may mga conditions, okay, or values ng x, allowable values of x from each of the expressions. Now, how are we going to evaluate piecewise functions? So I have here examples 1, 2, 3 in evaluating a piecewise functions. Let's say number 1, f of negative 4. So, alin dun sa tatlong expressions ang gagamitin natin to evaluate f of negative 4? Titingnan natin yung conditions. Okay? The first condition is x is less than negative 2. And then we're going to match the value of x that we're going to assign to the expression. This is negative 4. And negative 4 is less than negative 2. So, therefore, to evaluate f of negative 4, we're going to substitute this to the first equation of the function. Okay? So we have, that is 2x plus 1, so 2 times negative 4 plus 1. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8 plus 1, so our answer here is 7. For the second example, we have f of 5. So, hindi pwede yon dito sa first expression kasi ang values of x supposedly for the first expression should be less than negative 2. At hindi rin pwede dun sa second expression dahil ang values of x na pwede lang sa kanya is between negative 2 to positive 3. Therefore, we're going to evaluate f of 5 using the third expression of our piecewise function. Because the condition is greater than 3 and 5 is greater than 3. Okay, so therefore 4 minus 5, that is negative 1. Okay, and the last number is f of 2. F of 2, so we're going to substitute this to the second expression of the piecewise function kasi naroon siya sa condition of x. O ibig sabihin, naroon yung set of numbers na naroon yung 2 as an element of this set of numbers. Okay? So we have 2 squared minus 1, 4 minus 1. Our answer is 3. That is how we can evaluate a piecewise functions. Kailangan lang masusi natin pag-aralan yung mga conditions kung saan natin isasubstitute yung mga values of x na ilalagay natin sa ating piecewise functions. Okay? Thank you.